Today, come with me to find animals. Here I found a big lobster. The lobster is colorful. It looks very beautiful. Let's cover the lobster first. What will happen?
Oh my! It turns into a fish.
It is actually a red-tailed catfish. The catfish is black and quite strong. This catfish becomes very fierce when it grows. Here I found many animals again. This is a chubby goldfish. This is a red-capped goldfish. Goldfish are all very cute. There is also a black and white chubby goldfish. These goldfish look quite strange. Now I cover the fish. Let's see what happens this time.
Oh my! It turns into many fish.
All of them are red. They look like a group of koi. You see, the koi are still small. These koi can be raised. They will be more beautiful when they grow. There are about 10 koi here. They look better the more I watch. What animal is here? It's a puffer fish. Why is its belly so big? Let me cover it. What will happen? It turns into a black fish. Why is this fish not moving? Is it dead? Luckily, its mouth is still moving. This should be a tilapia, but its shape looks like another fish. This tilapia is probably about 1.5 kilogram. That other fish shouldn't be this big. You see the tilapia swimming. At first glance, it looks like a big-head carp. What animal is here? It's a flying fish. The flying fish looks very beautiful. There is also a koi. The koi is also very beautiful. Let me cover these fish. Let's see what happens.
Oh my! It turns into two big fish.
They are orange-red. Look closely. They are map fish. I've never seen such big map fish. They must have been raised for a long time. They are as big as giant catfish. I wonder if they will fight. Let me check here. I found a white eel. Its teeth look sharp. There is also a light yellow eel. This fish is a bit fierce. Now I cover them. Let's see what happens.
Oh my! It turns into a black fish.
This should be a sucker fish. It looks slim, but also very strong. This fish survives very well. It usually won't die easily. What fish did I find here? It's a clownfish. There is also a snakehead fish. The snakehead fish is very beautiful. Now I cover these baits. What will happen?
Oh my! It turns into several big fish.
Let's see what fish they are. One red fish and a golden butterfly fish. These fish are really beautiful, especially when they swim.
Look! What fish are here?
A golden chubby goldfish. A black chubby goldfish. A red-white chubby goldfish. Now I cover them again. What will happen?
Oh my! It turns into a big fish.
This is a koi. Its colors are very beautiful. I will raise this koi in a pond. What animals are here? A squid. This squid is pink. This is an octopus. The octopus is orange-red. Cover them again.
Oh my! What fish appeared? Look closely. It's a group of catfish.
There are so many. They don't look like wild catfish, more like ornamental fish. Let's continue building an underwater zoo. 2 alligator gars. One is black. One is yellow. 2 more big fish. One is a catfish. One is a knife fish. What fish is this? A red chubby goldfish. A black chubby goldfish. What fish is this? A sucker fish. This sucker fish is light yellow. What fish is this? This fish is very big. It should be a giant gourami. Here come 2 more big fish. One is a flower parrot fish. One is an orange parrot fish. What fish is this? It is black. It's a catfish. Looks a bit cute.
Look! Here comes an eel.
The catfish has a big mouth and looks fierce. This is a blackfish. It's a sucker fish. What fish are here? An orange-red map fish, a black map fish, and here comes a hermit crab. Which animal do you like today?